Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a video that I'm really excited to bring to you today. You can see it in the title, you can see it in the thumbnail. This is not a joke. I've actually gone and bought a 595 Competizione. So for the first time I want to introduce you to my new car. This is my car now. It's not a car I have to give back. I literally have the keys to this for as long as I want, and I can choose what I do with it, what I change, and can document the whole process. So that's the real reason that I'm just super excited to be able to show this to you guys on the channel and share the changes that take place from here, because I do have plans for it and that will be discussed in a later video. But at the moment I just wanted to get the car on the channel and show you what I've bought, what I've basically done. And before anyone asks, have I tested out any of the alternatives? No. Did I feel like I needed to? Not really. You see, I kind of fell in love with the Abarth brand years ago, so it's nothing to do with having the 595 for 2 weeks with Abarth UK, even though that was an amazing insight into how it would tie in with my life. It actually didn't change my choices, because I knew from what I wanted in a car, in terms of the character, in terms of the driving experience, I knew this was the kind of car that would appeal to me more than the competitors. There are better cars, but there aren't better cars for me, so this is what I've gone with, and I was just waiting for the right spec, to be honest. I wasn't waiting to trial out anything different. I was just looking online, looking on Auto Trader, as I'm sure loads of you guys do, just waiting for the spec that ticked all the boxes, and this ticks basically all the boxes for things that I can't spec out of the factory. Anything else, you can do it yourself, and I do plan to change things, but we can document the process as it builds. For now though, I just want to enjoy the moment with this car and see what you guys think. Let me know in the comments, am I an idiot? Did I make the wrong decision? Do you like the car? Do you like the spec? You'll see it in a second when I talk you through the exterior as well, but I mean, I'm just happy. So you know you bought the right car when, one, you can't stop looking at it when you get out, but two, it doesn't matter what the temperature is outside, you still bring the window down just to be able to hear it, because it sounds so good. 4 cylinders and it makes this noise. Name another car that does that. So I honestly can't tell you how relieved I am to finally say this is my car. I don't have to give it back in 2 weeks to Abarth UK. I don't have to return it to anyone. This is actually going to be my car, and it's going to be on the channel a lot more. So I just wanted to quickly talk to you about the spec, because that's one of the reasons I'm surprised I've got it now. I've been very picky with what I've been looking for, and this one finally came along, ticked all the boxes, so I had to get it. Basically, to talk you through what I required, you know already, Super Sport alloys were a must. I've got brake calipers in black at the moment, the Brembos. That's for a separate video, but potentially is to not clash with something in future. Then we've got red to complement the black. Those are vinyl decals applied at factory, so they can be removed and changed around, but you've got it on the mirrors, the front lip, the Abarth decals on the side, and then at the back as well. In terms of the rest of the car, it's finished in black, pretty standard. There's not much more on the exterior that I want to cover. A lot of what I was focused on is actually in the interior. So if I open the door, you'll see what I mean instantly with the seats. So these are the Sabelt buckets, finished in tan leather and Alcantara with black. I think they just stand out so well, and yeah, as soon as I saw them, fell in love. You got carbon fiber driver zone, carbon fiber kick plate on the sills here, and then the Beats audio. I don't know if you can see that on the speakers. Told you the standard ones were crap, at least in the one I had, but yeah, that's a must for me. Still got this crappy plastic, but again, we can discuss that in future. And then a 7-inch screen with the sat nav and all the details. If I just step out as well, The reason I'm doing so is just because at the back here, this was the main selling point for me. These have the full carbon backing on the Sabelt buckets, which for me is essential. For a non-car person, they think it's ridiculous because you literally can't see it when you're driving, but just knowing it's there just makes the car so much more special. So I wanted to keep this video short, so I'm gonna end it here, but you've got an idea for the car. There'll be plenty more content featuring it in the future. So this is more just to kind of get it out there, explain my new poor financial decision, and get your thoughts on it. I mean, get in the comments, let me know what you think of the car, what you think of the spec, what you think needs to be done next to be able to make it more interesting, modification wise and all that. There'll be other videos to cover it. Obviously I can't put everything in one, otherwise what do you clickbait? But just let me know what you think from your perspective you'd be doing if this was your car. And yeah, I'm just going to end it here, but thank you guys for watching. Thank you for anyone that's continued watching regularly despite my irregular upload schedule. I promise to try and get better now that I've got a car to create content with. I want to be able to focus on this a bit more, focus as well on trying to get more content in terms of collaborations with other YouTubers. I think it would be great to start doing so, but we'll see what happens in the future. We'll see what I end up arranging. I'm not going to promise anything. But yeah, don't know where I'm going with this. This is my new car.